Hi, I'm Kenna Johnson from the Channel Company, here at Dell Tech World, where innovation and partnership are front and center. Arrow has been working closely with Dell since 2002, and today they are Dell's largest North American distribution partner for infrastructure solutions. I'm with Eric Barnhart from Arrow to talk about the long-standing partnership with Dell. Thank you so much for being here today.
Well, thanks, Kenna. It's good to be here.
Arrow has been a Dell partner for over 2 decades. What has led to this long-term success?
I think it comes down to alignment. Frankly, we get up every day and strive to be the aggregator of choice for hybrid cloud and AI in the mid-market, and that desire aligns us perfectly with Dell's go-to-market and also where they want us to play. But I also think more than that, culturally, there's such a mutual expectation for innovation and execution that when we get together with our Dell counterparts and work on strategy, we know that we can trust each other to do those two things effectively and often.
How does Arrow's engineering support and solution centers help Dell partners accelerate their go-to-market strategy?
Engineering, and in particular our labs that we make available, are a real differentiator for us. Partners today would have a hard time investing in such complete and diverse lab environments. So we've done it for them. We have labs all over the world, in particular here in the United States, where we use those labs to educate and enable our partners, but also make them available to our partners to leverage, to demonstrate Dell's differentiated value and create outcomes and prove out really the value of Dell solutions. And those labs are run and managed and leveraged by a team of over 200 solution architects and sales engineers at Arrow that are also available to our partner community as they address concerns and needs from their own customers. I'm going to give a shout out to those 200 plus sales engineers and solution architects. I think they're a differentiated reason why Arrow was named the Dell 2025 North American Distribution Partner of the Year last night, and we're pretty proud of that.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you walk us through ArrowSphere and how is it helping Dell partners simplify transactions?
ArrowSphere is a game changer. Not just for us, but for the industry overall. Over the years, as OEMs and suppliers and partners have created unique and customizable solutions to address specific customer needs, and also the way those solution sets are consumed, either in a CapEx, OpEx, subscription, or as a service model, the transaction and life cycle of a customer have become incredibly complex. Partners have entire staffs dedicated to just operations. We feel like we can help them with that. So through ArrowSphere, which is a customer engagement platform that we leverage, there are several very intuitive modules inside, and it begins with deal registration and configuration requests and quote requests, and then a very simple click to buy process. Then it moves into cloud consumption. Multi-cloud billing that can be simplified inside of the platform rather than using spreadsheets, and we allow the platform to do it for our partners. Then EDI feeds and API connections that our partners will use to automate the process with us, also available there. One of the newest modules is Renew. One of the more difficult things that we've had in this industry is the process of managing the renewal and the refresh process when customers are due for new technology or upgrades. And inside of the Renew module, it's a very intuitive process for us to help get ahead of that, to manage refresh campaigns and also make sure that we help create the best possible customer experience for our partners. And then also a module called My Business, where our partners can manage their relationship with us, from invoicing, reporting, things that they need to help run their business. And all of this is supported by an AI agent internally in the system that's available to our partners that leverages natural language to collect and create reports and ask questions so that you get all the information you need efficiently and effectively. And we really are excited about ArrowSphere and where it's going to take this industry.
Thank you, Eric, for sharing that story and talking about your partnership. I appreciate you being here today.
Oh, it's been our pleasure. Thank you so much for having us.
To learn more about Dell Technologies, visit the website on your screen. For the Channel Company, I'm Kenna Johnson.